All right, folks, real quick review of this security LED solar motion light they sell at Harbor Freight. Of course, they have it, branded as their brand Bunker Hill. But, you know, it had decent reviews online. I'm guessing those good reviews were, most of them were Harbor Freight giving people free product. They did have some scathing reviews too, but, a lot less. Anyways, total piece of crap. Don't waste your time on it. Here it is right here. I actually went ahead and made mine a little, I mounted the solar panel on mine, kind of made it all one unit, shortened the wire, and I was kind of excited, to put these things up. But I'll tell you, it's a complete piece of crap. I've had them up now for about a week, and the consistency with the motion isn't accurate from night to night. The temperature varies greatly on it. Some nights, if it's too cold, it won't turn on at all. Other nights, if it's warmer, the light will just turn on and off non-stop, and there's no motion at all. You can see where I have the settings on. I had to keep monkeying with these settings over and over and over, and finally I'm done. Take this stupid thing back. In case anyone is wondering, I'm not going to open it up, but inside of here, I read some people online saying they can't find a replacement battery, so they just throw the unit away. If you do have one that works, unlike mine, they're both garbage. It just takes an 18650 rechargeable battery. That's all it is. You can easily buy one and replace it. So if yours happens to work, that's an easy solution for you. But I bought two of them. Here's one, here's the other one. They're both going back. Complete garbage. I wouldn't waste, $5 on these things. So that's my review.